Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn about inventory control account. We will see the definition of inventory control account, and I will show you a real life example in Excel so you will understand this concept easily. I will share with you the chart of account, how inventory control account will look like in our chart of account. I will share with you the general ledger account of each inventory control account and the inventory itself. Also, I will share with you a trial balance where our inventory control account will be located. So first of all, what is inventory control account? Inventory control account is that account which is having all the information about all inventory accounts. You can say that the ending balance of each inventory account will be on inventory control account. So let me show you the example so you will understand this concept easily. So having this example in Excel, this is the chart of account. Here you will be having a main account code and sub account code and particulars or the account names. Here we have under the assets, we have inventory account, which is the main account 1003 code, and it controlling the all inventory items we have, like we have computer i5, computer i7, HP OfficeJet, plotter. So it is starting with 1003.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. So this account is controlling these accounts. These are the sub accounts. So this is a control account of inventory. Now I will show you the general ledger of an inventory account, which is computer i5. In our stock, we have computer i5 on dated this and narration 50 each with unit price of this one and the total amount this much. So this is the computer i5 general ledger, an individual inventory account. Here computer i7 as same as I show you earlier. HP OfficeJet 30,000 ending balance. This is in stock. Here plotter 42,000 in stock, and this is here. Now we will see the inventory control account. Here you can see here inventory control account, which is having account code as I show you in chart of account 1003.1, 0.2, 3 and 4. So computer i5 holding a balance of 53,100. When you are using an accounting software, so it will give you an option that you can click on computer's i5 account and you can get the information of their quantity and the unit price. Inventory control account will show the ending balance of each account. Like here we have i5 53,100 and here i7. We will go there and we will enter. i7 ending balance is 112,000. HP OfficeJet 30,000, and at the end plotter will be the ending balance 42,000. So the net balance of the inventory control account will be 237,600. So we have in our company net inventory 237,600. So this account is controlling all the accounts. So when company needs to know that how much value of our inventory in our company, so we need to just go to the inventory control account and we will have the total value of the all inventories in our stock. So this is the main purpose of creating an inventory control account. At the trial balance, you will see here under the assets, here is the inventory control account. So on the debit side, here will be the main account, like the main account code is 1003. So here will be 1003. This is our inventory control account main code. So this is the concept of inventory control account, guys. I hope you understand the concept. Please subscribe my channel so it keeps motivated me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.